Today we are looking at two nice, completely checked over Oliver 160 gravity tables. I'll have to apologize for the wind today. We're going to go over these units. They have been through the shop. New bearings have been installed where needed. All of the controls have been checked and they turn freely. The motor has been serviced and is in good running condition. New discharge chutes have been added to both of these units on the end, and new motorized blenders have been installed on both of the units as well. We have both a left-hand unit, and over here we have a right-hand unit. This is determined by looking at the discharge into the deck, and the blender is on the right-hand side. Over here on the left-hand unit, you can see that we are looking at the discharge into the deck, and you can see that the motorized blender is on the left-hand side. This is looking at the serial tag on the left-hand unit. This is looking at the serial tag on the right-hand unit. We have not rebuilt the decks on either of these units yet because we do not know what mesh the customer will need. So when these gravity tables are ordered, we would need a little bit of time to change the mesh out if that's what is needed. This gravity table currently has a number 8 mesh. This is for your larger grains. The mesh is still in pretty good shape on this unit. It still has the nice coating on it. This is looking at the other right-hand gravity table. It has a number 10 mesh on it, and its coating is still pretty good too. We'll go ahead and do a walk around of the right-hand unit. Another thing to note is that we serviced the variable speed deck shake mechanism underneath of each of these gravity tables. These gravity tables have the manual speed controls, so they will not have the VFD on them. The motors on both of the motorized blenders are brand new. You can see that we have added new mesh to the filters where needed. Like I said, these units have been through the shop and they've been completely checked over. They are in excellent condition. There you can see we have the left-hand unit running. Wanted to demonstrate the unit in operation. Everything is in order and running as it should. Showing the right-hand unit in operation. As you can see, we have these units all crated up except for changing the mesh on the deck if that is needed. They are ready to ship out. So these units are available and they can be ready to ship fairly quickly. Give us a call if you're interested in purchasing one of these units. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Here are the dimensions for the left-hand unit. Here are the dimensions for the right-hand unit.